I'm sharing a product today that can make you over $25,000 net profit in 2 months on Etsy or Shopify. I'll share the exact process on how to do this with one product. Let's head to Etsy and take a look at these magnetic bats. You'll see the retail price is $38.40 for 16 bats. This will obviously be a seasonal product, but you can replicate this for any season of the year or use this as a seasonal business idea. You can see that these are averaging 510 orders a month. I would guess these numbers are from the month of September, and they will more than likely do this number or more the month of October. Let's jump over to Alibaba and see what we can find for garage magnets. Here's a magnet manufacturer that can make magnets to stick to your garage. It looks like the magnet is around 30 cents for 1,000 pieces. Now keep in mind this price will be dependent on size, but let's use this 30-cent number for this example. You can also get that number lower by ordering more than 1,000. I did reach out to the manufacturer and checked on shipping. Again, this will vary based on your location, what kind of magnets you're doing, and how many you're ordering. But I got a quote for shipping that will add 13 cents to each magnet. Your total price per magnet would be 43 cents. If you were selling them in a set of 16, as the example showed, your total cost for each set would be $6.88. Your total profit for each set would be $31.52. If you sold 510 sets in 1 month, that's a profit of $16,075.20. You should have at least a 2-month selling window. That means in 2 months you could make $32,150.40 on this one product. If you wanted to get into selling garage magnets, I would think of some magnets for each holiday. You could do reindeer and a sleigh for Christmas, Cupid and hearts for Valentine's Day, Easter eggs for Easter, or some spring flowers. There's so many options. You could make this into a subscription service where they can subscribe to get these magnets automatically shipped out for each holiday, easily turning this into a profit of at least $100,000 per year. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoy videos like this, please leave a comment below and let me know, and subscribe to see me share more product ideas for you. If you liked today's video, you would love the last video I did, where I shared one item that can make over $100,000 in 1 year.